Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The aim for today's video is to print the area of triangle. So now let's start with the video. So first we are going to write base is equals to int, in brackets, input, in another brackets and inverted commas, we'll write input the base and a semicolon. Then we'll go into another line, then we'll write height is equals to int, in brackets, input, in another brackets and inverted commas, input the height and a semicolon. Then we'll again press enter. We'll write area is equals to base into height divided by 2. We'll press enter and write print in brackets and inverted commas area. Then we'll come outside the inverted comma, we'll press comma and type area. Now let's run the code and see the output. We'll input the base 7, we'll press enter, input the height will be 2 and answer is 7.0. Hope you like my video and learned something new. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.